Yeah, g'day, it's Chriso. Everything's getting a bit squeezy now. I'm just working my way out. You sort of run out of room a little bit when you're doing bathrooms, but it's all good. If you want to see more of this bathroom and how it develops into a masterpiece, subscribe to my channel and you'll see exactly how I do it. You'll see exactly every step of the way of this whole bathroom. Subscribe to my channel, push the appropriate buttons, and you're home and hose. Yep, get your finger jammed. Use a trowel instead of bashing your hand. That's better. That's better. And then just clip it into place. Whooshka! On Monday morning, my next video to you people will be me doing the walls. Right, checking my lines. Good one. I like it. And that's all there is to it, DIYs. I'm gonna do those tiles on the wall next. I go to 1200 high in the toilet there after I do these because I've got time. But I'll see how I go. You see this though, this is my aluminium. It's a very important part of this whole project. See that? See that fall there? Now that is beautiful. Can you see? Yep, I hope. This aluminium is a very, very, very important part of this whole bathroom because it stops all water coming out. A lot of people think that when you've grouted it, water doesn't penetrate through. Tiles are always waterproof, it's the grout that's not. Alright people, you want to see more? subscribe to my channel, and you'll see exactly how this bathroom is gets done.